Hey guys, this is Michael with Quiet Lawn. I've been keeping you guys updated about the Ryobi riding mower we've been using. We've been using it now for a good solid, I'd say 6 to 8 weeks, and it's been great so far. I haven't had a single issue. The guys take it out, one crew takes it out every day and uses it to mow between 12 to 15 lawns, and it's worked great. We've had no issues with it. Nothing is broken. The lead acid batteries that are in it have been working fine. So I've left them in there. I'm sure they are degrading from heavy use, and I told you guys that we were going to upgrade them to a LiFePO4 battery, and that's what I wanted to show you today. I want to show you the battery that I chose to replace the existing batteries. Like I told you, the existing batteries right now, it has four 50 amp hour 12 volt batteries, lead acid batteries. I'm replacing that, and that's what makes your 48 volts. I'm replacing that with one 48 volt battery, and the battery I chose is from a company called Big Battery, and the model I believe I chose is the Double Eagle. It's a 48 volt 3.06 kilowatt hour. I think it's about 60 amp hours. So this battery will be a little bit bigger. You know, it'll be about 20% bigger, more capacity than the lead acid, as well as you'll be able to fully deplete this, as opposed to lead acid, which, you know, you start to do damage if you go below half, use below like half the capacity when you use it. So we should get a lot longer runtime with this, but I chose the Double Eagle 48 volt 3.06 kilowatt hour battery. I might need to modify a little bit. This does look a little bit taller, but I'll just have to measure and see. It does look a little bit taller than our existing batteries, but the width and length should be fine. This battery is heavy, but it's probably going to be half the weight of the four 12 volt batteries. So you know, it should reduce our mower from about 450 pounds to about 350 to 300, something like that. But it should reduce our weight on our mower about 50 pounds. But with changing this out, you also need to change the charger, because you need different types of chargers for lithium ion batteries. So we did go ahead and get a charger from them as well. This is the one they recommended. And I think altogether this was right under $2,000 or something like that. Right under $2,000, but seems like a very good battery. Again, like I said, the big benefit to this is the really long warranty. This has a 10-year warranty for this LiFePO4 battery. It's supposed to get several thousand charge cycles. So, you know, with us only having probably 250 charge cycles a year, maybe, this thing will, you know, we should not even get close to the life, you know, all those charge cycles with this thing. But very cool battery. I'll share I'll share the project when I start putting it in. Right now, it's not something I want to get in, because I don't want to risk something not working and the guys not being able to use it during the mowing season. So this will probably be something I add, you know, when we start slowing down, just in case I mess something up, or just in case there's some additional work I need to do to make this work with the mower. I don't want to, you know, do it right now when everything's working fine and mess that up. But thanks for watching. Next video I'll make with these will be me installing them in the mower, and you know, look forward to showing that to you. Hope you guys are doing great. Have a good day.